Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toki Tahmid. Today I'm going to show you how to fold this easy paper airplane I designed called Polaris. So yeah, let's see how it flies and then I'm going to teach you how to fold it. All you need in order to fold this plane is an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper or A4 paper. So we're going to fold this edge to this edge. Like this. And now we're going to open it like this. And now we're going to fold this top edge down, but we're not going to fold this edge to this edge. We're going to just only fold down half an inch, 1.5 inch down. It doesn't have to be exactly 1.5 inch. Anything close to that is fine. And if you want it to be perfect, you can use a scale, a ruler, let's call it, like this. Now we're going to open it and we're going to flip the paper over. So now we have this crease right over here, and this crease is split into two. This crease is split down the center like this. Here's a crease that splits down this crease. The center crease is splitting down this crease. So we're going to take the right half of the this crease, and then we're going to fold. I know this is kind of tricky. We're going to fold this edge to the center crease like this, to land that edge onto that center crease, and we're going to crease over here like this, and then do the same thing. We're going to land that crease onto this center crease like this, and then crease here, and then we're going to open this flap like this. Now you see we can't open it all the way because of this pocket right over here. We're going to squash that pocket, and we have this crease on this pocket. We're going to make sure it lands on this center crease, and then squash it like this. And now we have this triangle right over here. We're going to fold this triangle down, this whole triangle down like this, and then we're going to land this edge onto this center crease like this, and then crease sharply, and then do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to open these flaps, and now we're going to fold this edge to this crease there, and then we're going to crease sharply over here, and then do the same thing on the other side. Like this, and we're going to fold these creases down like this. And now we have this flap over here. We're going to fold it up as far as it can go like this. So now it will lock these layers. It's not locking the layers now. See, this stands up and these layers pop out. But if we fold this plane in half like this, now the layers will be locked very tight. And now we're going to fold the wings of the plane. So we're going to land this edge onto this edge like this, like this, and then flip the paper over and do the same thing on the other side. Like this, and then open the wings like this, I teared it a little bit over here. Make sure you don't tear the plane, or it will not fly well. So now your Polaris is done, but it's not quite done. You need to make some adjustments. So if you see the plane is flying down like this, it flies and then it dives down like this, you need to just bend these edges just a little bit so it will fly straight. And if your wings are like this, you have to just fold it up like this, because if your plane's wings are like this, it will not fly well. So it has to be like this, so it's making this letter, the letter Y, like this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you liked my video, please give it a like, and also subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.